So we just pulled down the valance covering up the air conditioner in the front, and we made a pretty interesting discovery up here in our Sprinter. We found out that the air conditioning unit only goes back about 18 inches, and it's only 7 inches from the ceiling there, from top to bottom, about 9 inches from top to bottom in the back. Apparently, there's a whole lot of room up front here in the turtle shell. Top of the Sprinter van's there. You can see the original antenna on top of the van. And I don't know. I'm thinking this is a pretty valuable real estate up here. Looks to me like we can just move this back. I mean, am I crazy? Pull that out and just put it up on the roof right there. Stick this right up. Sure, they didn't want it there because it was going to take away some headspace for some headroom for the doorway. But I don't know. I think the wires don't even need to be extended. The cables should swing right over. There's plenty of slack on there. I mean, it's got all that room to move. Cable basically moves back about 1.5 feet. So pulling it forward, we can move forward 1.5 feet. And just by looking at it, it looks like it'll go. I don't know. I'm kind of torn. Yeah, I think that's the plan. Gonna get all these seats out of here. Can move that AC, get this roof paneling all down. Take all that down. Gonna recover, redo our own ceiling.